Hello friends, I'm here to explain you the WordPress site structure today. Before you actually get to build with WordPress, it is necessary to know the core structure of any WordPress website, the basic page architecture, how WordPress uses certain parts to build a complete page. To be very precise, WordPress uses template files to generate a complete page, uh, the complete look of the website, and to manage the content. For example, when you see the front page of your WordPress site, you are actually having a look at a set of files. Uh, those include index.php, header.php, sidebar.php, and footer.php. I'll explain that with an example. Here I have a very basic site setup for the demo purpose. Within this demo, uh, the I'll highlight it for you. This part, the highlighted part, is the header. The second part I highlighted is the menu. This is the content area, and this is the sidebar. This is the footer. Okay, so this is necessary to know what is the sidebar, what is the menu, what is the header. So you understand these terms when I talk to you, like anything about the header, sidebar, or the footer. When you are having a look at a single post, in this case, I'll open a single post. This is the header, sidebar. This is the content area. This is called meta, which says the entry was posted in demo on September 20, 2015. Demo here is a category. I have made a category called demo. This is the date. This is the comment section. This one, which says leave a reply, and this is the footer. On a multi-post page, like a category page or a archive page or a search page, you might get to see other set of files, which also includes the category.php, uh, 404.php, search.php, and sidebar.php, apart from the basic structure. The core files of WordPress represent the main content containers, which hold the page content. The core structure of the site features at the minimum are header, sidebar, menu, content, and the footer. Now, sidebar is an optional thing, but you can define sidebar if necessary. If not, you can have multiple sidebars. Uh, Here I have a basic structure of the classic theme in WordPress. Though you don't need to understand this code, but in the long run, someday you may have to open and have a look just to make you familiar with this. The body comes first, then there is a div, the h1, and the h1 holds the header, then a div which holds your content, then a div which holds the menu, and a paragraph with the credits. There's another structure which is generally followed for the default theme, which is mentioned here. It is pretty much the same, but the minor change here is there is a div called header. Earlier we had a h1 tag where the header was. Here the header is in div, and the credits which were in the P class, in a paragraph class, are now in a due class. Now this structure following dues makes it easier to style it later. So this is generally followed when making themes or editing. While the main difference between those two themes are, one calls their sidebar and the other the menu. The other difference is one uses the core structures for header and footer. Like in the classic theme, the header is in h1 tag, the footer is in paragraph tag, and in the default theme, the header is in div and the footer is in the footer div. Both themes feature a container that encompasses a wrap around it, around the entire page. This wrap container allows you to be more definitive with the control of the overall structure, often used in the combination with the body tag. Now body tag is like a basic tag which is generally used everywhere. In different WordPress themes, you may also find classes or divs named as container, page, wrap. Some themes may also add a second, third, or even fourth sidebar, creating a column effect, or they may include additional wrappers around the entire page or a specific container. But this, what I explained you, is the core structure, which is generally followed and then edited further. If you are a non-developer, I know this video may freak you out. You may feel like it would be difficult to change the structures of your WordPress site. But let me tell you one thing very clearly. It is totally fine. Not everyone who uses WordPress need to be a developer. You don't need to change the site structure every time. Actually, changing the site structure and making changes to the file with the code is a part of the development. Not every person working with WordPress needs to do it. Not every person working with WordPress is a developer. This video is just to make sure you know what is below the software you are using to build beautiful websites. This is all for the site structure right now.